Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll speak to you on when to use ser or estar. These are the topics. I'll begin with a review of each verb, and then I'll give you rules on when to use estar, followed by rules on when to use ser. Now, in review, in English there is only one verb, to be. In Spanish, the verb to be has two forms, ser and estar. Recall the present tense conjugation of each verb. For ser, it's soy, eres, es, somos, sois, and son. For estar, it's estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. Now, these are the rules on when to use estar. We use with conditions that change. For example, it's used to describe feelings. The students are happy. Las estudiantes están felices. She was saddened by her son's passing. Ella estaba triste por el fallecimiento de su hijo. It's used in expressions of health. John is tired. Juan está cansado. He is ill. Él está enfermo. It's used when describing cleanliness. The room is dirty. El cuarto está sucio. It's used to express location or position. Where were you? ¿Dónde estabas? Madrid is in Spain. Madrid está en España. Now these are the rules on when to use ser. Use with conditions that are permanent or unlikely to change. The building is tall. El edificio es alto. Use with expressions of origin or of what something is made. Teresa is from Mexico. Teresa es de México. The table is of wood. La mesa es de madera. Used with a predicate noun or pronoun. He is an engineer. Él es un ingeniero. It is she. Es ella. You use it to express the time of day and dates. It is 8 in the morning. Son las 8 de la mañana. We use it to identify someone. He is a funny person. Él es una persona divertida. We use it in impersonal expressions. It is necessary. Es necesario. It is possible. Es posible. Now this is the end of this module. Before I let you go, I'd like to give you a refrain or a proverb. A donde el corazón se inclina, el pie camina. Where the heart leans, the foot finds its way. In other words, home is where the heart is. I want to thank you for watching Spanish Basics. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.